Where did you get that dress? It's awful, and those shoes and that coat. Jeez.
8 miles. Turn right to heading 044.
We're now at 2,000 feet, beginning our descent.
Steve, I want every light you can get poured onto that field. Being done right now.
Tower to all emergency vehicles. Runway is Niner.
Airport vehicles take positions 1 and 2.
Civilian equipment, number 3.
Air Force positions number 4 and 5. All ambulances go to number 3.
Air Israel, please clear the runway.
In a moment, we'll ask you to assume crash positions. Your life jackets are located under your seat. Place the jacket over your head, and when I give the word, pull the cord on the right side flat. Your seat cushions are also equipped with a flotation device.
WZAZ in Chicago, where disco lives forever.
Watch your altitude, Striker. You're too erratic. You can't come straight in. Got enough fuel left for 2 hours of flying.
I'll take it, Elaine. Listen to me, Kramer. We have people up here who will die in less than an hour, let alone 2. I may bend your precious airplane, but I'll get it down. I'm putting the landing gear down now.
Mr. Stryker, the passengers are ready.
Thanks, Randy. You better leave, sweetheart. You might get hurt up here.
Ted,
Yes?
I wanted you to know now. I'm very proud.
Tell him the gear is down and we're ready to land.
The gear is down and we're ready to land.
All right, he's on final now. Put out all runway lights except Niner.
Captain, maybe we ought to turn on the searchlights now.
No. It's just what they'll be expecting us to do.
I just want to tell you both good luck. We're all counting on you.
All right, now just listen carefully. You should be able to see the runway at 300 feet. Aim a touchdown a third of the way along. Slight crosswind from the right, so be ready for it. Land too fast, use your emergency brakes. Red handle's right in front of you. If that doesn't stop you, cut the 4 ignition switches over the co-pilot's head. You see us now? You should be able to see the field now.
Sure is quiet out there.
Yeah, too quiet.
Looks like I picked the wrong week to quit sniffing glue.
There it is.
There he is. Stryker, you're coming in too fast.
I know.
He knows, he knows.
It's below 700 now, still going down. 675, 650, 625. He's holding. He's no, he's down.
Sound your alarm bell, now.
All right, now, everybody, get in crash position.
Put down 30 degrees of flap. Roger, now listen to me. Remember your brakes and switches. Get ready to flare it out.
He's all over the place. 900 feet up to 1,300 feet. What an asshole.
More left rudder. Put down more flap.
Just kidding.
Striker, lift your nose. Straighten your wings. Coming in too fast. Watch your speed. He's coming right at us. Coming in too hot. Ease up on the throttle. Watch for that crosswind. Level it out. Aim for the numbers. Let the dip your left wing. They're drifting. Keep your eyes on the far end of the runway. You're too low, damn it! Watch your stall speed. We're out. Laser down. Down. The brake. Pull the red handle.
I just want to tell you both good luck. We're all counting on you.
Flight 209 now arriving gate 8. Gate 9. Gate 10.
Whoa! Push a button!
Gate 13. Gate 14. Gate 15. Gate 23, 24, 25.
I just want to tell you both, good luck. We're all counting on you.